Meanwhile, Courtney's boyfriend Christian, he is looking at all the missed calls on his phone from Courtney.
Yay, finally, it's here. My Huion Kamvas Pro 16 2.5K. Okay, so let me just remove this plastic cover. So I ordered this one from the official Huion website and it was shipped all the way from Hong Kong. What do we have here? Hopefully it's one of those gacha things. Let's open this up. Ah, it's the power adapter, the US type. Okay. It looks sturdy. Let's set this aside first. Right off the bat, this packaging feels slick and minimalist. This is the embodiment of the phrase, less is premium. Great job, Huion. So yeah, I've been hearing a lot of buzz about this one and I'm really excited to open this up. Let's take this plastic out. The box is really sleek and compact. Now let's see what's inside. Oh wow, okay, there it is. So everything inside is packed securely, okay, which is always a reassuring sign. So this is the 15.8-inch display. We'll talk about this one later. Now let's check out the rest of what's in the box. So we have here the classic artist glove. So if you have a sweaty hand, this glove is definitely helpful. My hand now looks like a pro. This one is the USB power cable. Next is another power adapter. This is, I think, the European type. And we have the USB-C to USB-C cable to connect the tablet to a computer with one cord only. And of course the 3-in-2 cable in case your computer doesn't have the USB-C port, so you can use that one. And finally, the last cord included is the USB extension cable. Okay, this one is the foldable stand ST200. Wow, solid. I think this one is pretty obvious. It's the battery free pen. Let me just open this one. It's the battery free pen PW517. So PW517 comes with 2 programmable shortcut keys. Okay, right here. And by the way, this pen has the PenTech 3.0 technology from Huion with 60 degrees tilt function and 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. Quick start guide and a cleaning cloth. And infamous pen holder. Huion's pen holder. So all the extra nibs are also stored inside. Let's open this so we can see the nibs. All right, there. So you have five black nibs, or the plastic nibs, and the five felt nibs. You also have this one, the nib clip, okay, to pull out the nibs. Another good thing about this pen stand or pen holder is this rubber thing at the bottom, rubber stopper, so it's not sliding. The ST200 stand can be moved between multiple degrees to suit your working way, which helps reduce tension for your neck, shoulder, and back, and it offers the best viewing angle for drawing or for typing. And it's very easy to carry around. It has anti-slip mats to avoid unnecessary skidding, and then it will help your device placed securely. So a key feature of this tablet is the 15.8-inch screen with 2.5K resolution, which is awesome for artists who need detail and color accuracy. It has anti-glare coating. It will help with the reflections, and the laminated display reduces the gap between the pen and the screen for a more natural drawing feel. On the side, you've got 8 customizable shortcut buttons and a touch bar that you can set up whatever you want. It could be your zoom, your brush size, whatever you prefer. It's perfect for speeding up your workflow. So these are all the items that you can see in the box. Setting up the Kamvas Pro 16 is pretty straightforward. So once you hook everything up, the tablet should turn on automatically. And boom, we're up and running. As you can see, the display looks incredibly awesome. And now, let's get into the fun part, the drawing. So coming from the perspective of a long-time non-display tablet user, transitioning from Wacom Intuos to Huion Kamvas is a big leap in experience. I've been using my Intuos since 2015. So from the traditional style of drawing, I trained myself to draw while looking at the screen for, the eye-hand coordination thing. And I got so used to it that when I tried the canvas, my system got shackled. it took a while for me to adjust again. Both pens have a natural feel, mimicking traditional drawing tools. So for me, they're almost the same. Perfect for detailed sketches and complex illustrations, especially for creating webtoons and manga. I created a whole volume 1 of my webtoon on my Intuos, and in my opinion, it did a pretty decent job. I love the outcome, and for my volume 2, I will make everything from Huion Kamvas. So I want to see if there's an improvement to my art. But don't get me wrong, all of these devices are just tools. And yeah, at the end of the day, it is still up to the artists how they use these tools to create amazing artworks. Hopefully I can make some. By the way, this character here is from my webtoon. I will show snippets of it on the side in case you're wondering what my webtoon looks like. Yeah, I did some great compositions in Volume 1, and I'm hoping that I could outdone myself with Canvas Pro 16. Drawing directly on a screen is really a total game changer. Like, it's worth upgrading. Man, the traditional feel, it's there. The best part is that it gives me more confidence in my strokes. You can make precise adjustments as you go without worrying about the eye-to-hand coordination issues. It's like, what's the word? Immersive. Yeah, it feels immersive. Another benefit of transitioning to Canvas Pro 16 is the screen size. So most pen display tablets come with a large canvas to work on, and that extra space is really amazing. I don't know about you, but when I'm working, especially on my webtoon, I love having the freedom to zoom in and get really granular with my work. I'm very particular to that. Larger screens let me zoom in more and refine details without feeling cramped. So when you're working on a regular tablet, your drawing area is a lot smaller. And even though you can zoom in on your screen, it's not just the same experience. So with a pen display, that expansive space feels more like working on a traditional drawing board or easel. Okay, so I want to test the portability and convenience of the tablet. So I decided to bring it outside to eat out and work. I packed everything necessary in one bag. So yeah, it is indeed easy to set up and carry around, and yes, you can really actually draw with it outside the comfort of your desk.
Sakto ni nga size ante ko 25 by 25. Kita bugkon sa kita. Na mag
I'm done with the line art. Now it's time for the flat color. We are now back at the workstation. I will continue to do the flats here. So enjoy the rest of the speed paint.
The royal family, do you accept? And they just say yes or no. Most of the time they accept. It's just to make it seem more amicable. And
So you can really see the nice crisp visuals from the 2.5K resolution feature. After doing the flat colors, now I will do the shading.
The bodyguard.
A week after Tupac is released from prison, it's alleged that Biggie's signed with Bad Boy Records, the one that's on the song I'll Be Missing You. She flies out to LA for work a bit before my time, but I didn't even know about this college stampede. The college
Shading is done. Now, time to do the highlights. This is a bit off. Let me adjust this one. So after the highlights, I will add a couple of details here in the shirt and also in the hair. Almost done. Now to make this pop up, let's give this a poster aesthetic look. Let's add a border here. I will copy the border layer and move it to the front and make it as the first layer so I can highlight the perspective. And the final touch to finish this drawing. Change the shadow layer of the hoodie to overlay. And voila, it's done. Wait. It's not even. Let me add something here. A little more. Okay. So I'll be uploading more videos related to webtoon creation, my art journey with the Kamvas Pro, and about a life of an expat artist who wants to be better at his craft. If you like this kind of content, ring the bell and subscribe for more updates. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.